Welcome. Today we are exploring rotational symmetry. Specifically, we will understand how rotating a shape less than 360 degrees can create a match, and what the order of rotational symmetry means in geometry. So, what exactly is rotational symmetry? A shape has this property if it looks exactly the same after being rotated or turned less than a full circle. If you can turn an object around its center and it fits into its original outline before you get back to the start, it has rotational symmetry. Every rotation happens around a fixed point. We call this the center of rotation. For most regular shapes, this is the geometric center. Imagine sticking a pin right in the middle of a shape and spinning the shape around that pin. That pin is the center of rotation. Now, let's talk about the order of rotational symmetry. The order is simply the number of times a shape matches its original position during one full 360-degree turn. There is a simple formula connecting them. The angle of rotation equals 360 degrees divided by the order. Let's look at an equilateral triangle. It has 3 equal sides. If we rotate it, it matches its original position 3 times in a full circle. Once at 120 degrees, again at 240 degrees, and finally at 360 degrees. So, its order of rotational symmetry is 3. Next, consider a square. A square is a regular polygon with 4 sides. As we turn it, it matches the original shape every 90 degrees. It matches at 90, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. Therefore, a square has an order of 4. Here is a regular hexagon, which has 6 sides. Because it is regular, we can divide a full circle by 6 to find the angle. 360 divided by 6 is 60 degrees. This means the hexagon matches its outline every 60 degrees, giving it an order of rotational symmetry of 6. Be careful with rectangles. Unlike a square, a rectangle does not match if you turn it 90 degrees, it would be sideways. You have to turn it 180 degrees or a half turn for it to match. It matches at 180 and 360 degrees. So, a non-square rectangle has an order of 2. What if a shape only matches when you get all the way back to the start? Shapes like a trapezium or a scalene triangle do not match at any angle less than 360 degrees. We say these shapes have an order of 1. Mathematically, an order of 1 means the shape has no rotational symmetry. To summarize, rotational symmetry exists when a shape matches its outline with a turn of less than 360 degrees. The center of rotation is the pivot point. The order is how many times it matches in a full circle. And remember, if the order is 1, there is no rotational symmetry. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.